Today we're going to talk about the different types of sentences. And on page 19 we talk about declarative and interrogative sentences. And a declarative sentence tells something. It's just departing information to someone, like, I wore my favorite pair of sneakers today. And it's important to remember that a declarative sentence ends with a period. An interrogative sentence asks something. Okay, so it's anytime you're asking a question. And an interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. In the 4 sentences below, here we are going to be editing those sentences. And you are not only looking for the ending mark to try to figure out if it's a declarative sentence or an interrogative sentence, but you're also looking for any kind of mistakes in that sentence, such as punctuation or capitalization. Number 1, it says, the play needed 8 different characters. Well, when we look at this, we know every sentence starts with a capital letter, so the T in the needs to be capitalized. The play needed 8 different characters. Well, we know that that is not asking a question, it's giving us information. So it's telling us something. So it's a declarative sentence. And a declarative sentence ends with a period. So you will rewrite the sentence with the capital T. So the play needed 8 different characters. And you can see that I included the period that was missing and I included the capital T. And you're going to go ahead and you'll do 2, 3, and 4 on your own. You can pause the video here and move on when you are ready. On page 20, we're working on imperative and exclamatory sentences. And when I think of imperative sentence, it's giving an order. Things like, go to your room, tie your shoes, throw me the ball. An imperative sentence tells you to do something, meaning it gives you an order, and it ends with a period. An exclamatory sentence expresses a strong feeling, and it ends with an exclamation point. And I always say exclamatory begins with EX, and exclamation point that it ends with begins with EX. So, number 1. It says, wow, I love creating movie posters and signs. Well, I know that the first letter in every sentence needs to be capitalized. It should be capital W, wow, comma, I love creating movie posters. And to figure out what I need as an ending mark there, if I look at that word wow, it's an indicator to me that it's expressing some excitement, right? Wow, I love creating movie posters and signs. And so it would end with an exclamation point. And you can see that I capitalized the W and I added in the exclamation point because it's showing strong feeling. And oftentimes words that begin a sentence, those introductory clauses like wow, yay, hooray, those introductory clauses that are offset by a comma help express emotion. And you can see that oftentimes. And I need to figure out with make a poster for the school play, what type of sentence is it? Is it imperative? Is it giving an order? Is it giving a command, telling someone to do something? Make a poster for the school play. Well, it is. So that means this is an imperative sentence. And an imperative sentence ends with a period. And so the ending punctuation for this would be a period. You can go ahead and complete numbers 3, 4, and 5 on your own. Make sure that to turn the 2 pages in today on Teams when you've completed them.